Hello, my awesome students. I am here to read you another story. So today I'm going to do something a little different, and I am not going to be the one reading it to you today. It is going to read to you. I am on a different program called Tumble Books. You can get here through the KPBSD website, and then you go to students and parents, or students and parents, and then you're going to go down to Tumble Books, and it's totally free. So I went into storybooks, and then I just kind of browsed and I found Dojo Daycare. So that's the story that we are going to read today. This is by Chris Togas. All right, so we're going to hit read online. I just kind of wanted to show you what that process was like. So they have a whole bunch of options over here. So if you don't want it to read to you, you can change that. But I'm going to try it reading to us. Here we go.
When ninja moms and ninja dads leave their hidden ninja pads, they drop their children off to play at Dojo Daycare for the day. Shoes removed, the children bow when suddenly, kaboom, kapow! Little ninja girls and boys fighting over ninja toys, pulling, pushing, tugging, taking, punching, kicking, busting, breaking. It's a full-blown ninja riot. Master claps and calls out, "Quiet! It's time for you to all reflect on honor, kindness, and respect." The master sounds the gong. Kabong! Lunch is served, but things go wrong. Before they gobble down their chow, the dojo shakes. Kaboom, kapow! Little ninjas all competing over plates and cups and seating, tipping chairs and acting rude, fighting over ninja food.
Okay, I want us to stop right there because in this story, I am noticing something with those words. Does anyone else hear in those words what's going on? Right, there is rhyming words. So, little ninjas all competing over plates and cups and seating. Did anyone hear that rhyme? Competing, seating. There was another rhyme. Let's find it. Tipping chairs and acting rude, fighting over ninja food. Did we hear it? Rude food. Awesome. All right, let's keep going.
It's a full-blown ninja riot. Master claps and calls out, "Quiet! It's time for you to all reflect on honor, kindness, and respect. We're going to read a story now." When suddenly, kaboom, kapow! No one listens to the master. Story time is a disaster. Little ninjas throwing fits, wrecking books with ninja kicks.
Okay, so I'm going to pause it again. See if you can find those rhyming words. Did you hear them this time? Okay, so no one listens to the master. Story time is a disaster. That's right, master, disaster. So those have the same ending sounds. Little ninjas throwing fits, wrecking books with ninja kicks. Did you hear it? Fits, kicks. Not the perfect rhyme, but it's still there. All right, let's keep going.
Master can't control the riot. Then one little voice yells, "Quiet! It's time for us to all reflect on honor, kindness, and respect. Every ninja understands, and fists turn into helping hands, as little ninjas work as one, undoing all that they have done. Together, ninja girls and boys stack the books and store the toys. They clean the dojo through and through until it looks as good as new. The little ninjas give a bow. Master bows and whispers, "Wow." When ninja kids and moms and dads go back home to ninja pads, they share some laughs and have a bite, and wash and brush and hug goodnight. Then backflip into comfy beds and rest their sleepy ninja heads. All is calm, at least for now. Tomorrow, well, kaboom, kapow.
Okay, so there's the end of our story. So I have two options for you at the end of this story. You can either go back and re-watch it and make a list of all of the rhyming words. I do want you to write them down and try your best to know the spelling. So that means look on that page and write down the exact spelling to those words when you know that they're rhyming. So that would be one option. Option number two is think about how those kids changed in the story. They were going kaboom, kaplow, and they were making that dojo master's day really difficult. They weren't listening to him very well. So I want you to think about in your own life, how could you help your parents? What are some things that you could do to help mom and dad every day? All right, so those are your two options at the end of this story. I'm excited to see which one you guys choose. All right, thank you.